Alright, so if you go to Google and you come over here, you can go to your drive first. And if you press on New, it'll give you the option to use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides, or Forms. And I'm going to take you through each of them. So if you start a Google document, basically it's just like Microsoft Word. You enter a title right here, and then right here you have all your fonts and your settings. You can insert tables and pictures and all kind of things. And then this is how you share with other people in the share box. You type in their email, and it sends them an email invitation. Yeah, that's pretty much it for Docs. So if we go back to new Google Sheet, so this is pretty much the same thing as Microsoft Excel. So you're going to have a spreadsheet. So you can go ahead and type in any of these cells, and you can use the tools to multiply, add up different things, just like Excel. And same thing, you can share right here. And then you have, if you want multiple sheets, you can add a new one right here. And then you can rename the sheets to whatever you want. And then for Google Slides, which is pretty much a PowerPoint, same thing, you can just go ahead and make your presentation, and whenever you're ready you can insert a new slide and keep on going. And you can change the theme of the slides right here. It suggests different themes. And there's a presenting mode here whenever you're ready to present it, and you can also share with other people. And then lastly is Google Forms. Basically what this is a question and answer type of form. So it's like a quiz. It's like making a quiz for a class of students. Another way to get to it is right here on these dots at the bottom. And here's your main menu. This is the one that I started already, and then you can also start a new one. And you just put as many questions as you want. Also, it has different themes suggested for you to use. So if you wanted to have a party invite, you can use this one. And it already has it all kind of set up. Yep, that's pretty much it.